just came to start the wheel horse so it don't sit all winter without running. You see my battery is at 12.3. I got it idling kind of fast right now to charge the battery. When it's slow, the battery doesn't charge. There's a starter that was new when I bought it. Solenoid I put on it. What was that? Voltage regulator and condenser that I put on it. Get over here. Right there. New Chinese carburetor I put on it and adjusted the valve. New plug. And that's all new wires right there. I got my voltage regulator on it. You see how it's going down in voltage? If it's not idling fast, if you're not running it, it's utilizing the voltage. If it's going faster, it's charging the battery. That's an aftermarket blade I put on. It was too long. I had to cut it back. It's held up by the chain right there. It's under there. That's what drops it and lifts it up. There's a tire chain that I bought. And there's the metal. That wood block is just so it don't bounce up. Because that trailer hitch bounces up a lot. But that's the brackets made that hold up the aftermarket plow. I put this so that don't bounce up right there. There's a cherry bomb I used to have on it, entirely too loud.